How to fix network switches 5G to 4G during phone call on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can fix if your network mode is automatically changing on any iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, the first thing first, check out your cellular data settings. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on cellular, and then scroll down again and select the SIM card that you're having problem with. And now once you're here inside this one, he'll get us to the voice and data. You just need to tap on this one, and if the network mode is selected with the 5G auto, then you just need to select the 5G on, because if you select the auto, then it might switch between 5G and 4G. So you just need to select the 5G on and then get back from here and take your issue. Let's say you did this process but you still have the problem, then force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear. So once you see the Apple logo, release the button and this will actually restart your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely a problem is going to be solved. If none of these steps works for you, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings app once again from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and select reset network settings and put your iPhone passcode here, and then select the reset network settings here, but make sure this will reset all of your network related settings and it'll get back to the default. And once you get back, be sure to select the 5G on from the settings, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.